What is Niello? Niello is a blackish metal alloy, usually composed of silver, copper, and lead sulfides, used as an inlay in engraved or carved metal, especially silver. The process works as follows. The metal surface, usually silver, is engraved or carved with a decorative design. Niello powder or paste is applied into these grooves. The piece is heated until the Niello softens and flows into the cavities. After cooling, the surface is polished, leaving the black Niello in the engravings and creating a strong contrast with the surrounding metal. The history of the Invar brand is a fascinating chapter in Swiss watchmaking, where cutting-edge science met traditional craftsmanship. Founded in the heart of Chaux-de-Fonds by the influential Hirsch family, the brand was established in the early 20th century under the name Compagnie de Montres Invar, CMI. The name was no accident. It is a direct tribute to the metal alloy Invar, invented by Swiss physicist Charles-Édouard Guillaume, which revolutionized watchmaking by offering nearly zero thermal expansion. By adopting this name, Hirsch's manufacture positioned itself at the technological forefront of the era. Between 1903 and 1911, the company registered several patents aimed at improving chronometry, ensuring that pocket watches maintained precise time regardless of temperature fluctuations, a critical challenge for navigators and professionals of the time. This dedication to technical excellence earned Invar numerous gold medals at international exhibitions, distinctions that collectors can still proudly find engraved on the cuvettes, inner case backs, of the original pieces. Aesthetically, Invar watches from the golden period, between 1900 and 1930, are magnificent examples of the Galan technique, solid silver cases with finely gold-decorated edges, pristine white enamel dials with crisp Arabic numerals, and robust, finely finished movements, often containing 15 jewels. Over the decades, the company's structure evolved, giving rise to other brands such as Drive a Watch Company, but the Invar name remains a symbol of an era when the pocket watch became more than a luxury accessory, it became an accessible instrument of scientific precision.